Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, fog lights, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, towing package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.